Got my key in the door. I can't help thinking you'll be there. Oh, I keep falling back, acting so damn insecure. Don't get me wrong, when I wake in the morning, all of these feelings are gone. Why are you here in the back of my mind? Maybe I just need somebody tonight. You feel the space, you know how to do it just right. Maybe I don't really feel, cause this desire's only shallow, and I'm a mess alone when I'm on my own. And maybe I don't really miss you. I just hate the silence late at night. I think I need someone to hold me. Restless and cold in my bones, I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. As I'm lying in bed, I can't help wishing you'd be here. I put a breath on my neck, whisper that I do your best. I toss and I turn till 4 in the morning, sleepless in these empty sheets. If you were here, you can come to my mind. I know I just need somebody tonight. You feel the space, you know how to do me just right. Maybe I don't really feel, cause this desire's only shallow, and I'm a mess alone when I'm on my own. And maybe I don't really miss you. I just need the silence late at night. I think I need someone to hold me. Restless and cold in my bones, I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone.
I thought she felt the way I did, but she don't. It's cool, I'm not mad. Flip phone back in '07. Texted me after class. Stood there waiting by my locker, go in and out of my head. She came up to me and said it, let's just be friends. It was just a crush, it wasn't love. I sat alone on the bus, and I know what the reason was. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Shallow, like stepping in the ocean. Who knew she would do me like that? Young heartbreak, never saw it coming. 2 weeks later she wanted me back. Sent me a semicolon in parentheses, acting like I don't have a memory. These girls bounce back, mama said to me. Mama said to me, it was just a crush, it wasn't love. I sat alone on the bus, and I know what the reason was. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Let me take y'all back. Yo, remember when we spanned the bottle? Said I got them locks just like a model. You're my yesterday, thought you'd be my tomorrow. Motorola in my pocket, used to blow it up, I told you stop it. I don't want it, crank that Soldier Boy and watch me wobble. Flip flops, white socks, sat down, barber shop, hairline got riggedy rocked. Mom says I look handsome. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Yo, let me be honest,
Room 2110, I knocked on the door at the penthouse suite, 'cause I needed more from you. Oh, I wanted an explanation. Red Solo cups all over the floor, and your friends passed out, sleeping in that bed you wanted us to hang out in. I guess you threw yourself a party, and you chose not to invite me. Yeah, you threw yourself a party, but you wanted me for a good time. You said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear it'd be nothing more than our clothes on the floor. Only wanted me naked, but you can have your cake and eat it all the time, all the time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, oh. Room 2110, what I come here for. I wanted to talk, but you kept slurring your words. Well, it's not your best presentation. I know you threw yourself a party, and you chose not to invite me. Yeah, you threw yourself a party, but you wanted me for a good time. When you said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear it'd be nothing more than our clothes on the floor. Only wanted me naked, but you can't have your cake and eat it all the time. You said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear who you were before was just a mask you wore. Only wanted me naked, but you can't have your cake and eat it all the time, all the time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, oh. I didn't care, it was your birthday, because for me it was the worst day. Whoa. I didn't care, it was your birthday, because for me it was the worst day. Whoa. Text me when you get here. You made it so clear who you were before was just a mask you wore. Only wanted me naked, but you can't have your cake and eat it all the time. You said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear it'd be nothing more than our clothes on the floor. Only wanted me naked, but you can't have your cake and eat it all the time, all the time. Whoa, no, no, no. Time.
The sun is coming up again, looking like it's gonna be a problem. 'Cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend, gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you, 'cause I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome.